Start off getting this crabgrass, chickweed out of here. You're wanting to put a grape pergola, something for our grape grinds to grow in. They unreal, they're everywhere. So we started down here where the blueberries are. We're gonna start getting them weeds and all out of there, and then we're gonna start this project right here we got going on. So I'd say if ain't none of y'all got one of these right here, it's a gorilla cart. That thing right there is the best thing since slice of bread doing work out here in the garden, the yard. We seen a few other people have them, so we figured we'd try it, and it works amazing. Holds 650 pounds. I couldn't imagine putting 650 pounds in that, but for the most part, like I said, it's top notch. Hey buddy. You say hey. You say hey everybody. notching the. These are gonna be our 4 posts. We'll put 2 right here, 2 right here. Got some 2x4s we're gonna cut. Put on the top. And the idea is these grapevines of hers are gonna grow around it and through it. This was only a year and a half of her grapes, and they're out of control. So we got to do something about it. finished result. That's for her grapevines. I guess it come out pretty good. Like I said, all of these grapevines right here, they're everywhere. These things growed in a year and a half. These beds have been here probably, I don't know, maybe 3 years. We've been doing the black cow and a couple other things in these beds for about 3 years, and we really have a lot of good luck out of them. Again, we live in the city, so this is, back here is like the oasis. We try to grow some stuff, and that's a big blueberry right there. It puts off a lot every year. And then all the way down there is some 5x10 beds. These right here, we do green beans in one, and do cucumbers in the other, and squash and zucchini in the other. And these, any given time, you can dig in these beds right here. And we bought this dirt from Lowe's over the years and Home Depot. It's just a mixture of different types, but every other year or so we'll add some black cow to it. Every year you can dig in them, and there's hundreds and hundreds of earthworms in it, so obviously we're doing something right. So yeah. Alright, so we came back and put some stain on it. It's the finished product right there. I think that's pretty much it on this. I think she was wanting something maybe a little smaller, but that's about the best I could come up with. They're done so many different ways. I mean, you just have to pick one, but it'll work.